Just me and the copper, y'all. And the stogie. Oh! Alright, Fifth. What? Hey. Yeah. Hey. He hurt him with this shit. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. It's the anniversary stogie too, man. Get that. Two cigar there, man.
What you gonna do now?
What you gonna do now? Fifth toe. Donnell got something for that ass. Get him, cuz. Right. Smooth it out on him. Alright, cuz. Oh, yes. That shit right there. That shit right there is a staple, you heard? That's right. Put the game face on. Boom. Left me, baby. Gotta be alone. Silly. I can imagine it inside of me. Teenage years. Some time to be alone. Wanna be where I wanna be. Alright, cuz. That's right, rock out with that. Yeah. Baby. Oh no. You just don't feel no bad. So sweet. I just need time to see what you want. I feel so sad. It's crying out to me. I just need time to be where I wanna be. All right, now. Go to church on them. Go to church. Yeah. Yeah. Do that. That was serious right there. That was serious. We did that.